Hey guys, so today I am working with Black Flag USA on Instagram to make you F56 owners a Shift boot delete kit. I'm super excited about this, so I thought that I would show you the process of pulling out the Shift boot and putting in the delete as we go through. This is the first prototype, so there's going to be a few more until we have the final product, but I thought I would show you the process and then you guys will get to see the final product. Alrighty, so you're going to need to pull this up. There's 3 clips, 3 or 4, and I think they're like right here. So just start by pulling those out. Just be careful for the little connector that's on here. Okay, so I have an aftermarket Shift boot, but the idea should be the same for the stock one. I'm actually pulling it out this way from the underside of the sport ring. Okay, so to insert the Shift boot delete, you're going to have to remove this chrome ring. I found that this tool works best. Here we go. Slip this one in. This little arrow faces the sport button. Alrighty, so first it goes spring and then this little black piece. And then don't forget to plug in your sport mode again. And then it all just clips right back in. Alright, so this is our second prototype. We worked most of the kinks out with this one, so now we're going to be moving on to our final. So I'm just going to take this one out, put the new one in, and get a look at how it is. And then make sure that the little arrow is going towards your sport button. Okay guys, so that is it for the Shift boot delete. I'm really liking the look of it. It's very subtle, very clean. It flows so well with the black interior, just matches perfectly. I like how it just kind of tones everything down and focuses more on the seats and the cage, specifically in my build. If you guys are interested in getting one of these deletes, he does make them for the R53, R56, and all of the other body styles as well. Hit him up on Instagram at Black Flag USA. He is super awesome. Definitely would recommend. I think they look great personally, and I'm actually going to be installing one in my R53 as well, so maybe you guys will see that in the future. Alrighty, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.